Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader, and the graphic I'm sharing before you is a screenshot of the open position management. This is a trade update that we send thousands of our members around the world. And what it shows you is that over the course of the last several weeks, notwithstanding the background and hysteria of coronavirus and the oil shock, I've been camping out and sitting in positions long pound versus New Zealand dollar and short versus dollar yen. And yesterday, based on a crazy Sunday night session, we closed out all of these trades, hit their respective take profits, and we closed out these trades for a 3,031 pip profit. 3,031 pips. That was accomplished in just over a couple of weeks. This was the biggest one-day haul in the history of the Pattern Trader based on the Sunday night session. Pound New Zealand shot up 1,300 pips in Sunday session, and dollar yen went down 300 pips. Now, I've been talking about these trades, pound versus New Zealand dollar and dollar yen, for the last couple of years. In fact, based on governing chart patterns that I saw in 2015 in dollar yen, a double top at the 126 area, that governing price pattern informed me that dollar yen by and large was going to go lower. And so I was always on the lookout for the opportunity to get on board this trade in a downward direction. I have a certain five-step layered approach that I inform our members that cues me exactly when to get in on the momentum of a trade and also how to establish my risk. I started piling into dollar yen above 110 and then close out my trades around 102 and made 800 pips on two trades, 1,600 pips in about a week and a half. And using the same price patterns and trading principles, in 2016 and 2017, I started to observe a double bottom price pattern, a governing bottoming price pattern in the pound versus New Zealand trading pair. And so I was always on the lookout and alerting our members to opportunities to hop on board the long side of pound New Zealand. Recently, pound New Zealand has been consolidating in a trading zone between 2 and 205, and I've been just camping out long pound New Zealand. And then in Sunday session, it opened up 1,200 pips, hit my take profit, and we made about over 2,500 pips collectively on two open positions in pound versus New Zealand dollar. So all told, in dollar yen and pound New Zealand, made over 3,000 pips. So if you put down $1,000, you would have made $30,000 on these trades. Now again, this was with the background of coronavirus, an oil shock, a financial panic, a financial meltdown, chaos in the markets. And, whenever we see these environments, people say, well, it seems very random. We never know where things are going. So how was it possible for me to establish these positions, hold these positions in all of this hysteria? Well, to my mind and my philosophy, as you guys know, and if you don't know me, my philosophy is that the markets are a discounting mechanism. It means that price is ahead of events. So even though we see an outlier like Corona, to my mind, it's priced into the market. So somehow, whatever, those guys who were watching dollar yen 5 years ago or pound New Zealand 5 years ago, they priced in whatever was going to happen in these respective pairs. So I only look at prices. I advocate to our members to be completely objective. Don't watch the news and the TV that's behind me. You can see the sound is muted. I never listen to these guys. I only look at price and I keep completely objective, and this is how I'm able to make extraordinary gains. Now, I'll have to say I'm super excited by this batch of recently closed trades, 3,031 pips in just a few trades over a few weeks. That to me is, I've made money before, but making money this far and this fast has been super exciting for me, and hopefully for thousands of our members around the world. So if you'd like to, check out what we're doing, give us a call, email us at support@thepatterntrader.com, and let us know if you'd be interested in learning more about what we do. So with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading day, and I will see you next time.